If you're looking to buy Bitcoin using TrustWallet, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the entire process from start to finish. First, make sure you have the TrustWallet app installed on your phone. Open the TrustWallet app. If you're a new user, you'll need to create a wallet. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up a new wallet and make sure to securely store your recovery phrase. If you already have a wallet, simply log in. Once you're in your wallet, tap on the buy button, which is typically located at the top of the screen. This will take you to a list of available cryptocurrencies and payment options. Find and select Bitcoin from the list. This will bring up the options for purchasing Bitcoin. Choose your preferred payment method. TrustWallet often partners with third-party services like MoonPay, Simplex, or Pancake Swap for purchasing cryptocurrencies. Select the service you'd like to use. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy or the amount of your local currency you wish to spend. The app will automatically calculate how much Bitcoin you'll receive. Review the transaction details, including any fees. If everything looks good, tap Continue. You'll be redirected to the payment service provider's page to complete the purchase. Follow the prompts to enter your payment details. This might include credit or debit card information or other payment methods depending on the service provider. After completing the payment, you'll receive a confirmation and a Bitcoin will be credited to your Trust wallet. You can check your balance by going back to the main wallet screen and selecting Bitcoin. Congratulations, you've successfully purchased Bitcoin using TrustWallet. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below and we'll help you out.